I have always loved the coast. It's just such a peaceful area knowing you're on the edge of somewhere and can finally take a breath and enjoy life. Salty Living is a boutique real estate brokerage based in Cary Beach, North Carolina. As a real estate broker, there's so many different aspects involved. Working at other firms, they were using way too many different programs. When I started my own firm, I wanted everything in one place. The Salty Living app is powered by Moxo.
As a real estate agent, I'm getting texts from agents, I'm getting calls, they're sending emails. Now I'm trying to figure out, where are you contacting me on? With the app, we can streamline and automate processes like onboarding clients, getting documents from the clients, keeping them notified on what's going on with the purchase of their home.
Since using Moxo, I'm able to take on 5 times more business because it is so efficient and keeps me so organized. Anytime a new lead comes in, I've created forms in the flows to gather basic information. There's so many fields on these contract forms, and the flow is such a help in gathering all information at once. I've created flows for the broker side as well as the client side. On the broker side, I have a more in-depth flow and template to make sure that they are checking every single box. Being the broker in charge and owner of the firm, having these flows in place helps not only streamline the process, but ensures that all my agents are doing every single step of every single transaction the correct way. It allows me to help them on the backside of things while they prospect and go bring in more business. Keeping all these disclosures and documents in one place will reduce liability not only for your buyers and sellers, but for us as a firm.
When I first thought about buying a house, I thought lots of paperwork. With other businesses, it felt like I got kind of lost in the mix of other emails with other clients. The app made everything straightforward. Moxo prompted us with what we needed to do to make sure all of our paperwork was right in a timely manner. The security on the app made me feel comfortable sending documents, and it was more personable too.
Since Salty Living began, I have continued to double my business year after year. Moxo has been a huge part in that, in allowing me to work efficiently, work on the go, have access to all my documents. It probably cuts down a third of the time because everything is in one place. I'm really proud of Salty Living. I got to create not just a place for people to find a house, but for people to take full advantage of living here.